How to remove powered by Shopify. So whenever I will show you where it is and how you can just remove it. So this is my store. If I just go to the bottom, as you can see here, it will always show powered by Shopify. So this doesn't look professional, right? Most of the customer will know that this store is built on a Shopify and this is not good. So how I can just remove it? You have to just go and click on online store. Make sure you are in the theme section. Now make sure just select your current theme, whichever theme you want to edit it out. So here now click on the three dots, go on edit default theme content. Now here it will just open up and the top you will see the search bar. Here you have to type powered, right? And here you will see powered by Shopify. So to remove this, you have to do nothing. You have to just enter a space bar and that's it. So I will just go and click on save, right? And here autocomplete powered by Google. I also don't want to add here, so I will just add a space. But for you guys, you can just make sure if you want to remove powered by Shopify, put a space, or if you want to add your name, add your a brand name, your company name, whatever, you can just enter that name. So right now it's showing. Okay, so let me just refresh this page and I will show you once again. So it has now gone. For example, if I just add here, let's say that I will just add here Google, right? Just an example, and just go and click on save. Once save here, I will just refresh this my store page, and here, as you can see here, Google has been added. And if I just click on it, it will just redirect to Shopify, right? So you can also change the link. As you can see here, the shop will be powered by Shopify. So just erase this out and just enter the space bar, right? And make sure you enter the space bar and just go and click on save. So this is how you can do it. Or by the way, you can enter the link here. This is how it's work. I hope you found this video very useful and you came to know how to remove powered by Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.